Welcome to our culinary journey through France. We're about to embark on a delicious adventure exploring the heart and soul of French cuisine. Today, we're diving deep into 6 traditional French dishes, uncovering their rich history, mastering their cooking processes, and discovering the special occasions they grace. Get ready to feel the warmth and love that these dishes bring to the table, because we're about to turn up the heat on French cuisine. Let's get started with coq au vin, a dish that's as French as a striped shirt and a beret perched atop the Eiffel Tower. This rustic beauty hails from the French countryside, a testament to peasant cooking done right. Picture this, tender chicken swimming in a rich, deeply flavorful sauce, the kind of aroma that makes your mouth water from miles away. The secret to a cracking coq au vin is the marination, you see. We're talking a long, slow bath in red wine, herbs and spices, allowing the chicken to soak up all those beautiful flavors. And don't even think about rushing the cooking process. This dish demands respect, a slow simmer to allow the meat to become fall-apart tender. Now, coq au vin isn't just about the food, you donkey. It's about family, tradition, and coming together around a table groaning with good things. Imagine a cold winter's night, a roaring fire, and a steaming pot of coq au vin in the center of it all. It's the kind of dish that warms you from the inside out, the kind of meal that creates memories. See how the chicken soaks up all that beautiful color? That's the sign of a proper marinade, building layers of flavor. And don't be shy with the wine, it's the backbone of this dish. Look at that simmer, gentle and slow. That's how you coax out all the flavors, letting them meld and deepen over time. And the aroma, forget about it. It's enough to make you want to lick the screen. This is what it's all about, you see. The smiles, the laughter, the shared enjoyment of a truly special meal. That's the magic of coq au vin. It brings people together. Now stop drooling and pay attention. We're moving on to the next culinary masterpiece. Let's dive into another dish. We're off to Burgundy, a region in France that's practically synonymous with culinary brilliance. And their flagship dish? Bœuf bourguignon, a symphony of flavor that'll knock your socks off. Imagine this, tender chunks of beef, slow cooked to perfection in a rich red wine sauce, studded with smoky bacon, earthy mushrooms, and sweet pearl onions. It's the kind of dish that makes you want to close your eyes and savor every single bite. Now, bœuf bourguignon isn't for the faint of heart. This is a dish that demands time, patience, and a whole lot of love. The beef needs to marinate for hours, soaking up all those incredible flavors. And don't even get me started on the slow cooking process. We're talking low and slow, allowing the meat to become so tender it melts in your mouth. See how we're searing the beef? That's crucial for building a deep, rich flavor base. You want that beautiful caramelization. It adds another dimension to the dish. Now, into the oven it goes. Low and slow, remember. This is where the magic happens. The flavors melding and deepening, creating a symphony of taste. This is what bœuf bourguignon is all about. Celebration, indulgence, and sharing a truly special meal with loved ones. It's a dish that embodies the richness of French culinary heritage, a testament to their passion for good food and good company. Get ready for the next dish, you lot. We're just getting started. Next, ratatouille. We're heading south to Provence, a region bathed in sunshine and bursting with vibrant flavors. And what better dish to embody the spirit of Provence than ratatouille? Forget what you think you know about vegetables, because ratatouille is a game changer. It's a celebration of summer's bounty, a vibrant medley of tomatoes, zucchini, eggplant and peppers, all simmered to perfection in a garlicky, herby sauce. The key to a good ratatouille is all in the layering of flavors. Each vegetable is cooked separately, you see, allowing its unique character to shine through. Then, they're all brought together in a harmonious blend of textures and tastes. Look at those vibrant colors. That's the beauty of ratatouille. It's a feast for the eyes as well as the stomach. And don't be afraid to use a variety of vegetables, the more the merrier. Listen to that sizzle. We're building layers of flavor here, each vegetable adding its own unique touch to the dish. Picture this, a warm summer evening, a picnic basket laden with goodies, and a big bowl of ratatouille taking center stage. It's the perfect dish to share with friends and family, a taste of sunshine that's sure to brighten anyone's day. Now let's move on to the next culinary adventure, shall we? Now get your sea legs ready, because we're off to Marseille, a city that lives and breathes the Mediterranean. And what better way to experience the soul of Marseille than with a steaming bowl of BuyaBas? BuyaBas isn't just a fish stew, it's a love letter to the sea. It's a celebration of the freshest catch, a medley of fish, shellfish, and aromatic vegetables, all simmered to perfection in a rich, saffron-infused broth. Now, a proper BuyaBas is a labor of love. It starts with the broth, you see, a slow simmered infusion of fish bones, vegetables, and aromatic herbs. Then the seafood is added in stages, ensuring that each piece is cooked to tender perfection. Look at that bounty. The freshest catch of the day, just begging to be transformed into a delicious BuyaBas. Choosing the right seafood is crucial. It's the heart and soul of the dish. Smell that aroma, the saffron, the fennel, the orange peel, all those beautiful flavors coming together to create something truly special. This is how BuyaBas is meant to be enjoyed, shared amongst friends and family, a celebration of the sea and the bounty it provides. It's a dish that brings people together, a true taste of Marseille. Next up, we're tackling a classic that's as French as they come. Let's go next dish, Kiche Lorraine. We're off to Lorraine, a region in northeastern France known for its elegant cuisine. And what better dish to represent Lorraine than the iconic Kiche Lorraine? Now don't let the fancy name fool you. Kiche Lorraine is all about simple pleasures, a testament to the fact that delicious food doesn't have to be complicated. It's a buttery, flaky pastry crust, filled with a creamy custard studded with smoky bacon. The beauty of Kiche Lorraine lies in its versatility. It's perfect for a light lunch, a picnic in the park, or even a sophisticated brunch. It's the kind of dish that can be dressed up or down, always elegant, always satisfying. See how we're gently rolling out the dough? It's all about creating a light, flaky crust, the perfect vessel for our creamy filling. Now for the heart of the quiche, the custard. Smooth, rich, and perfectly seasoned, it's the key to a truly delicious Kiche Lorraine. This is what Kiche Lorraine is all about: simple pleasures, shared moments, and the joy of good food. It's a dish that embodies everyday elegance, a reminder that sometimes the simplest things in life are the most delicious. Get ready for the final dish, you lot. We've saved the best for last. The last dish is delicate crepes. We're finishing our culinary journey in Brittany, a region known for its rugged coastline and its delicate crepes. These thin, elegant pancakes are as versatile as they are delicious, a blank canvas for both sweet and savoury creations. The beauty of crepes lies in their simplicity. A simple batter of flour, eggs, milk, and a touch of sugar is all you need to create these culinary wonders. But don't let the simplicity fool you. Making the perfect crepe takes a bit of practice. See how smooth that batter is? That's the key to light, delicate crepes. And don't be afraid to give it a good whisk. We want to incorporate plenty of air. Now this is where the fun begins. The key to a perfectly cooked crepe is a hot pan and a deft wrist. A quick swirl of the pan, and voila, a thin, even crepe. Here's where you can let your creativity run wild. From classic Nutella and banana to savoury ham and cheese, the possibilities are endless. This is what crepes are all about: celebration, indulgence, and a touch of French flair. Whether you're enjoying them at a fancy restaurant or a bustling market, crepes are always a good idea. That's it for our French culinary adventure. Now go forth and conquer the kitchen, you lot. Well, there you have it. A whirlwind tour of some of the most iconic dishes in French cuisine. We've laughed, we've learned, and hopefully we've inspired you to get in the kitchen and cook up a storm. We hope these dishes inspire you to bring a touch of French tradition and warmth to your own table. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more culinary adventures.